bathroom and I wanted to just kind of show you what I do. This makes me happy. I turn on a movie when I'm in a room, or I'm listening to something, or I also have it's a little box. It's like an MP3 player, but it only has the Bible on it, and I can listen to that, especially while I'm vacuuming. So here's what I've got going on. I've moved everything. I have dusted and wiped everything. This is our scales that we have two. So I clean that, and I don't know, the light is kind of washes everything out. I have some plants back here, and they drop leaves just like they do outside. So I just use my vacuum cleaner, and I clean those up, wipe down the counters wipe down the edges, get all the dust off and everything. And then I vacuumed. Let's see, where's vacuum? I vacuumed the bathroom and the closets. And I'm going to take this coffee pot to the kitchen so that can run through the dishwasher and get clean. I switch this out every day or so because I actually have two of these pots. I have one for decaf, one for regular, and so we just split the difference and have half calf. So I have two of these, so I can just throw this in the dishwasher, it gets clean, and replace it and keep a clean one. Wiped off all the things on top, clean the shower glass inside and out. And I'm going to show you something that I want to do today if I have the right tool, which means I have to ask Jules. So let me show you what that is. Okay, this is inside Jules' closet, and this is the problem. This is just so super ugly, so I want to just get rid of that. So I kept trying to find something to replace this, and then I realized I don't have to have it. It just pops up, and it's always getting kicked. They have this really ugly, like, sticky stuff under, and then I realized it wasn't real hard. So I'm just gonna scrape all this off, throw this horrible thing away, and have a clean edge here. And 2 years, that took me 2 years to figure that one out. But hopefully today will be the day. So then I am going to mop the bathroom. So yeah, good timing. Alrighty, so I went out to Jules' toolkit and I found this kind of a scrapery thing. If there's something better I should have used, I should have asked him. But anyway, I usually just go about my business. I don't break this blade. It's very gooey. I don't know if it's supposed to be this, if this was the right thing. Yeah, the people used or not, but it seems to be working. That part's harder. Whatever that is. It's like glue. So let me just finish getting this up, and maybe we can finish this project today without any solvent or anything, because I sure don't want to get into that today, because I'm getting ready for the rest of my day. Mess that I got up, so I'm going to throw that in the trash. I may have to use some acetone. It feels pretty good, but I'm going to see how it looks after I vacuum and mop. Oh, I'm so glad that this is done, and it only took so far about 5 minutes, so yeah. That looks pretty good. I am going to acetone one spot. I just painted my nails yesterday, and today I'm playing with acetone. But isn't that the way it goes? Okay, just a couple of little white, I don't know. I think there was glue, there was silicone, there was putty. I guess there was a lot of people trying to keep that little fake wood trim on, and they should have just taken it off. It looks a lot better. Yay! Well, the bathroom is finished, and all the counters, I moved everything on these counters that I wiped under, and we mopped the floor, we cleaned the weigh scales, we cleaned back here, we cleaned this bench, or this step, I guess you would say, but I use it as a bench because sometimes I sit there. Got the carpets and the mats all fluffed and back in their places. Cleaned this strip on the floor, vacuumed the closet. Also took the time to clean this strip on the floor, vacuum the closet. And we, of course, we vacuum the floors, we mop the floors, trash is back and ready for the weekend, and we are finished with this section of today's train one. And then this was a little bit more of a deep clean, just because I wanted it to be really clean for the weekend, and next week I won't do this. I'm not gonna do as deep a clean in here. I will vacuum and I will, you know, clean the potty area, but I won't clean under everything. But I will wipe the counters probably every day, and I wipe the sinks out every day. So that's kind of how I keep this just right. And then I will move on to the bedroom, and I will vacuum the rest of the house, clean the other bathroom, make lunch, eat lunch, and then I'm gonna work on my 10,000 steps, and I haven't counted any of these steps. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. I need something that measures steps, honestly. So I'm just going to try to get 5 miles or 4.5 in on the treadmill today, and then I will work on maybe a pedometer or something. But anyway, so I may be back today, or I may say goodbye here. If I say goodbye here, it's because I'm busy. So you guys have a great day, a great weekend, and I'll see you soon. Like and subscribe. That'd be great. Bye-bye.